Hey guys, this is Haley Rojas with today's Quick Hits. Google Sheets is a great way to store data and to see changes in data over time. If I wanted to take this information about students A, B, and C and turn it into a chart, I would simply highlight this information, click on Insert, and Chart. Here, Google automatically populates a chart for me. However, I can change pretty much anything using this chart editor. I can change the type of chart. I can change the range. I can flip-flop the axes. By clicking on the chart, I can change the title. I can change pretty much anything on here. From what you would like to label to colors. Another neat feature is that I can take this chart and put it on a Google Doc. If I tell Google Docs to link it, that means that any change I make over here, maybe student B had an opportunity to fix this assignment, and now she has a 100. If I update this, it reflects that in real time for students or for myself. Well, that's it for now. If you have questions or ideas for future Quick Hits, reach out to us at help.tisd.org.